If your motorcycle dreams look like adventure, you're a true rider. Let's hit the road in Iceland. Imagine this. You're cruising down Iceland's ring road with the wind in your face and endless horizons unfolding before you. Majestic glaciers, towering volcanoes, and vast lava fields create a surreal backdrop that feels like another planet. As you navigate each twist and turn, the landscape transforms. Lush green valleys, cascading waterfalls, and serene fjords. The road itself is a rider's paradise. Smooth tarmac, sweeping curves, and minimal traffic. Every mile is a new adventure, with hidden gems waiting around every corner. And just when you think it can't get any better, a drone's eye view reveals the full grandeur of this epic journey. Riding through Iceland isn't just a trip, it's a life-changing experience. So gear up, rev that engine, and let's explore the ultimate motorable road in Iceland. Adventure awaits.